can you hear me in London? What are you doing here? No, don't tell me that.
You know, we're getting on game. Come back to take him. I'm going to get in there. Some Java London. Why got him in London? Give a sweater.
But wouldn't you take it easy when you get here? Eh?
Why would I take it easy? Why would I take it easy every morning? Give him up.
Because things in London has a procedure. Only case you here.
When you procedure, when you procedure, we hold job. Procedure we him to
So procedure is for you to be going around and urinating anyhow.
I look here, Mamma, no, I know that village. Wouldn't I? We anywhere.
And that is why you people are still backward. Or you don't know backward, and you're going to go back.
And you them na front ward, on your front ward. Team na front ward. Mamma, I'm not a mamma coming lose. When you're tired,
I'm tired of you.
I am will of
nonsense.
You. Now that I can't the Aribegote. I am will of you. But Mamma and Catty. Oh, no, go live again, Mamma. I was asking. You doubt time I knew, didn't go again from me. First, Mamma and Catty, Mamma and Shep, Shulo, Guru Mamma.
Can you stop shouting in my house? My wife is sleeping.
Your wife, you look up, old data. I never go so much is sleeping, as your wife is sleeping. Oh, no. Mamma and Catty. Men one more, oh, Gamma Mamma no, I have put your Tayagos look at the light. And that's a man,
Anyway, I'm just tired of you. Cut well.
Hello, young couples. Are you couples or cops?
We're couples.
Couples.
Yeah.
And how long have you been married to each other?
For a while.
For a while. Madam, what's your name?
In the movie, Sasha.
Sasha.
Is Sasha? What's that? Shisha.
Sasha.
Sasha.
Yes.
Yeah.
In English, Sasha.
So, and what's your husband's name?
Raymond.
What's
you know, your brother.
Oh, yeah. What's his Igbo name? Native
Uchenna.
name?
Uchenna.
Uchenna.
What?
Uchenna.
Yes.
Is that his name?
Uchenna.
Okay, and where are you from, huh?
Where am I from?
Originally.
Birmingham.
Birmingham. And where is your husband from?
He's from Nigeria.
Nigeria is also. Where? What is the name of his village from Nigeria?
I'm from Ekwe. Benata Ekwe.
Say it. No, repeat it.
Say Ebenata Ekwe.
Oh, God, do it again.
Ebenato Ekwe.
Alright, I do the first, but I have to do it in stages. Ebenato.
Ebenato
Ekwe.
Oh, yeah, say it together.
Ebenato Ekwe.
Is that where your husband is from?
Yes.
And what about me? Where am I from?
Ebenata Ekwe, of
Who
course.
do
Well,
that?
the same place, because you're brothers.
Every minor.
Oh, they're very
me.
intelligent.
Yes.
Your brain is working.
Eggs
And so, what's the
always.
name of the movie we are shooting?
Chief Imo in London.
Yes.
Wow. And how do you see your role? Are you comfortable with your role or something?
Yes, although my brother-in-law is causing absolute chaos.
Oh, who is that? Your brother-in-law?
You.
What's my name?
Chief Imo. Absolute chaos.
Are you serious?
Carnage.
Oh my God.
When you're ready, we're ready, sir.
Thank you. I hope you're enjoying every bit of it.
Oh, I'm loving it.
Oh, please.
Having a
We
great
don't
time.
even want you to go. We want you to stay to the end of the show. But then we can't help it. We can't pay your bills. Oh, yeah.
I mean,
Stand by.
oh, let's go.
Tekara. Okay. Ịhụnanya ya, lekwe nkịtara, lekwe ndị ka ebuzo couples, ndị ka awụ couple. Couple.